Sometimes, your Wi-Fi router doesn't cover your entire home. And this is where Wi-Fi repeaters or Wi-Fi extenders come into play. You can either buy a Wi-Fi repeater separately, or you can extend the coverage area of your Wi-Fi network by using your Android device. Today I am going to show how you can turn your Android device into a Wi-Fi repeater and share a Wi-Fi network with other devices. The Wi-Fi repeater feature is not present in Android devices by default. You have to use a Wi-Fi extender application for that. Head to Google Play Store and download and install the Netshare app. It's the best Wi-Fi repeater app for Android that doesn't require root. You need to just tap on the button named Start Sharing. Make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. The app shows some information, including SSID, password, IP address, and port number. You'll require these details to join this network. On another Android device, connect to the SSID with the password from the app. Then, you have to use the unique proxy settings to access the internet. Now you're all set to test the connection. If you are using a Windows PC, first connect to the network. Then, to change the proxy settings, head to Control Panel. Network and Internet. Internet Options. Connections. LAN setting. In the address box, enter 192.168.49.1 and enter 44,355 in the port field. Save the settings. You now have access to the Wi-Fi network transmitted from your Android phone. So, that's all about making your Android device work as a Wi-Fi repeater. Let us know if the app worked for you and helped you in extending your Wi-Fi signal.